Today we're going to dismantle this bike. The quickest way to remove a tire is to cut it off with an angle grinder. As you can see, the tire comes off effortlessly and easily. Unfortunately, this rim is now useless. We'll have to remove the hub. Carefully remove the chain and set it aside for cleaning to be put back on later. Next, very carefully remove the derailleur from the frame using the proper tool for the job. This might take a little effort. It's a little thick here at the gusset, so we want to go just past right here. At this point, it should just take a little force to remove the top tube from the head tube. Maybe a little more force than I have. This will be a little easier on a carbon fiber bike, so if your bike's carbon, it'll be a lot better for you. If it's steel or titanium, it's going to be tough. Okay. Next, remove the brakes. And the front derailleur. And the drive side crank arm. The final and most difficult step is removing the bottom bracket, as there's a lot of metal around it. Of course, if you have a carbon bike, you can easily achieve this by just bashing it with a hammer, and it should crack and shard away no problem. If you have a titanium bike, I recommend using a abrasive cutoff wheel on a 4.5-inch grinder. And there you have it. Our bike is successfully dismantled down to the point where we can clean each and every individual part. And when we're all done, we'll have a whole group of individually cleaned bike parts. Good luck, everybody.